Hello my beautiful people out there, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then I am Parul Chauhan. I make videos related to makeup. So today we are gonna be creating this beautiful purple eyes. If you are into the purple, then definitely this video is gonna be your favorite one. So yes, today I'm gonna creating this beautiful look here for you. So before get into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button so that you will notify every single time whenever I will upload a video. Now let's just get started with today's video. Guys, I have already prepped my skin with this Garnier Skin Naturals. Now I'm gonna be applying another layer of moisturizer because unless your skincare is not good, makeup will not look good at all. So for another layer of moisturizer, I'm gonna be using this Johnson's Baby Cream. Now moving on to the next step, which is gonna be a primer. So for primer today I'll be using this Insight primer. I'm just going to take on my fingertip area. Moving on to the next step, which is going to be our eyebrows. If you guys already know me that which eyebrow palette I love the most, so this is the one that I love the most. This is by Nykaa Wow My Brow eyebrow palettes. I'm gonna be taking this dark brown shade over here and then gonna fill in my eyebrow. Done with my eyebrows. Now next step is going to be a foundation. For foundation today I'll be using this Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. Only itna sa I'm gonna take. Now moving on to the next step, which is going to be a concealer. For concealer today I'll be using this Swiss Beauty in the shade 06. I am going to blend it very well so that there is no harsh line on my crease line or under my eyes or around my face. So the next step that I'm gonna do is to contour my face. So for contouring today I'll be using this purple stick, contour stick. I don't know the shade और इस पे इतना छोटा लिखा है कि I cannot read it out. So yes, this is the stick. It is like a lipstick, you guys. I am just going to slightly contour my face. I am not gonna put too much. I am just going to slightly contour my face. Now I'm gonna set my under eye area with translucent powder. Set my under eyes. So meanwhile I am gonna use this palette. This is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 02. I'm gonna take contour shade from this palette and gonna bronze it out. I'm going to clean my under eyes. with the help of the same palette, I'm gonna apply blush. Now moving on to the next step, which is going to be eyes. So for eyes today, I'll be using this Revolution Pro palette. It has colorful shades in it. I'm gonna take the shade called Exclusive over here. It is a purple kind of shade. Look at that. I'm just going to apply this shade on my outer corner of my eyes. Help of the same palette, I'm gonna take this white shade over here and then gonna apply it on my inner corners of my eye. Now with the same brush, I'm just going to blend it so that there's no harsh line. Now I'm gonna take this I Am Black Kajal. This is by Nykaa. I'm going to apply thin liner. After that, I'm gonna smudge it out with this small brush and create a little wing over here. Now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. For that, I'll be going with this dark shade which is called Haunted. This dark purple shade here. Just like this. Now moving on to the next step, which is going to be a highlighter. So for highlighter today, I'll be using this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is what it looks like. Look at that. I'm gonna highlight my inner corners. So moving on to the next step, which is going to be a lipstick. So for lipstick today, I'll be using this Lakme lip color in the shade Nude Pink. But before lipstick, I always love to prime my lips first, then moving on to the lips. So I'm just going to apply lip balm all over my lips. Now I'm going to apply that lipstick now. So moving on to the last step, but not the least, which is going to be a primer water. I am going to use this Smashbox primer water to set my face. It smells so good, so good. Now I'll be applying my lashes off camera. Then I'll come back to you. So guys, I'm back with the whole look, and this is how my look turned out today. It turned out so beautifully as usual, and I'm loving it so much. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay home and follow all government rules out there. So yes, bye bye, take care.